Lou Gehrig's disease, also known as ALS, is a condition that slowly robs you and your ability to move, eat, or even breathe. A related condition called frontal temporal dementia, or FTD, causes severe personality changes. Both diseases are fatal because they cause cells in your brain to die. For years, scientists have been searching for a reason as to why this happens. A discovery at the Mayo Clinic offers some answers and new hope for the future treatment of these diseases.
In this lab, Dr. Rosa Rademakers and her team have been on a quest to find a cause of two deadly diseases, Lou Gehrig's disease, or ALS, and frontotemporal dementia, or FTD, which is a type of dementia unlike Alzheimer's disease in that it causes personality changes, not memory loss.
It was really a kind of a race to try and find this.
For 4 years, they studied the genetic information of families who had ALS and FTD.
One day we were looking at the computer screen, and all of a sudden there was this special pattern that was only present in the patients and not present in the healthy individuals, and at that moment we knew that this was very likely to be it.
A never-before-seen genetic mutation.
And you can see that this pattern here where the peaks are big and then they're small, this strange pattern that is not present in the two healthy individuals.
Dr. Rademakers says before her discovery there were some genes found that were thought to cause about 20% of all ALS and FTD cases. But her discovery explains even more, up to half of all ALS cases and about 1/3 of all FTD cases.
Every time we identify a new gene, we understand a little bit more about what it is that's causing the disease in these patients, what it is that makes these brain cells die.
Dr. Rademakers says this discovery will open avenues of research that may one day lead to effective therapies to help improve and prolong the lives of victims of these diseases.
Our hope is that we find methods to identify who will develop the disease so that we can interfere with it before it's too late, before the important brain cells have died.
For Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Vivian Williams.
Dr. Rademakers says his initial discovery did not follow up research to make sure their findings were accurate. She is hopeful that this scientific contribution will help other researchers develop ways to fight these deadly diseases.
And now a recap of the headlines. Premier laments lack of youth involvement in emancipation services. Communications Minister says time for discussion on political independence from Britain. Call made for all district slooperies. Rosanna Chichester dominates Miss BVI 2013 pageant. 16 troops participate in 2013 East End Parade, and Carrot Bay Fiesta wraps up 2013 festival activities. And we have a phenomenal 2013 festival parade. In news from the Caribbean, Venezuela to hike Petro-Carib interest rates. British warship intercepts drug runners, and Michael Missick creates stir in overseas territories. Remember to visit jtvlive.net for more news, JTV's television programs and events now playing on JTV. You can also watch this entire newscast on jtvlive.net. We welcome your questions and comments. Email us at jtvnews@hotmail.com. I am Sean Rose. Thank you so much for watching.